Don't take your eyes off you. Watch it. Ooh, babe. If you like, you can touch it, baby. Ooh, look at that. Do you want to touch it, baby? Ooh, grab a hold. Don't let go. Let me know if you ready, babe. Thank you for tuning back in with me, Jazz Beautiful Hair. I have a new look for you all. So we're gonna go ahead and do the frontal tutorial ponytail, where I wanted to just do the all up ponytail, and my hair is definitely red, so we weren't able to do that. But this was the final look, so it came out really, really, really nice. And this hair was only $11.99 a pack. Here it is. All right, so this is a reused frontal. So you're gonna see that I'm trying to create a hairline. This frontal was kind of cut wrong. If you look closely, you'll notice that it's like not plugged, not cut correctly. So what I'm gonna do is definitely just go in and take that entire front of that hairline off. Just pluck it all off until it's gone. And then I'm gonna go back in and repluck the frontal as if, you know, it's never been plucked before, just to give it a more natural look so that it can lay on my head correctly. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and lighten my knots. I bleached my knots on this lace frontal. I plucked it a bit more, and I also bleached the knots and made it look more realistic. Alright, so next you're going to need a wig cap. I use a lighter cap, and then I put a hole at the top. So you're going to put that over your head as if you're just putting, you know, a ponytail holder on your head. And you're just going to pull it down really, really low. Now, I'm putting this hole through my ear because I want the cap to lay as flat as possible. So I'm just going to put my ear through the cap on the side, and I'm going to do that to the other ear as well. This gives you the best results with laying your cap down as flat as possible. Now, I'm using the Got to Be spray, and I'm just going to apply that right across the hairline. And I do want it to be applied a little bit above my hairline. So as you see, I'm going to just smooth it out. And I'm tilting my head because sometimes it's Got to Be, it runs down. So I don't want it on my face. Alright, so now you're going to go ahead and you're going to blow dry. Just dry it. I'm just going to, you know, you can even go ahead and wash dishes, do anything that, you know, consists of time so that the entire front of your wig cap can dry. Alright, so now you're going to get the foundation that matches your skin tone the best. And you're going to just cover your cap after it's dry in full with that foundation. Now let's get started with the magic. Yeah. I'm going to use a new technique. I don't really use shears anymore. I use an eyebrow archer to cut the front of my frontal. Now I'm just customizing to my head. I wouldn't suggest anyone to do this if they have not before. Now, I use Ghost Bond, but I would suggest someone to use Boho because it is waterproof. And just the same way I'm applying this now, you're going to apply the Boho piece by piece. And then you're going to lay your frontal down. Yes! So this is laid. This is without the baby hair being laid with it. And I'm just laid it down the exact way I applied the glue, piece by piece. So one side at a time. And I will do a more detailed video on how I lay my frontal. But I did do this ponytail, and I want you guys to see it look really good and natural. The baby hair is not done yet, so bear with me. We have ran into a problem, but I have a solution. So the ponytail came out really nice and slick. Look at this. Tell me how bad that looks. That looks terrible. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and use this Robert's Diamond Bond. Boom. This is actually a protective shield. So what it does is it protects your hair from glue, because what we're gonna do is an up-down look. Alright, so I went ahead and put the bonding protector on the back of my hair. The hair I have is really super long. So what I'm gonna do is fold this and start the ponytail short. taking it, folding because I braided it, but the braid may come down. And I'm gonna ponytail it right there. Let's take a second scrunchie and I'm gonna do it at the end. That's what your hair should look like. Okay, and then remember when you wrap the wrap strip, just make sure you wrap it really tight, okay? So here's our wrap strip. You can purchase them at any, beauty supply area. Pull and then wrap. And then you're gonna keep doing that. Pull, stretch it, and then wrap it. And this is basically protecting my hair from the glue. So this is 30 inches. It's by Shake and Go is the brand. You can put heat to it. So let me show you guys. And you work hard. And I work steady. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. All right, so you're gonna glue your tracks going all the way up, and once it is completed, this is how it will look. So all of the tracks are now in, and the hair is super soft. Y'all, this hair looks like I spent like $80 a bundle on it. Now look at it from the back. It has a nice shine, but not too much of a shine. We're gonna start at the tip of the ponytail. You'll actually go ahead and wrap it. So you're just wrapping it round and round, but going back to the base of the hair. All right, so when you get done wrapping your ponytail, your ponytail should look nice and full like this. Stand up genie look. And I'm just gonna have this be a genie ponytail. So it's gonna be really nice, but I'll do a video on how to do the wrapping genie ponytail. But let's say I love it. I think that this is a cool look. It's very inexpensive. Good look for like a week. Keep it up for like a week or so. I definitely wouldn't do 2 weeks. I would do a photo shoot with this. I hope you guys love it. I'm out.